Hello everyone, how are you doing? Today we are going to look at Daniel Smith Burnt Yellow Ochre PR102. It's a transparent, non-staining and light-fast color, a beautiful reddish brown, very close to Venetian red in hue, but more transparent. I'm sorry a little bit about the quality of this video today. I don't know why the auto zoom work even if it's not supposed to, so I'm really sorry. So now we see fired gold ochre beside it, which is close to it in hue. And then we'll see now Venetian red PR101, that is the closest to it. I think Venetian red is a tad warmer than the burnt yellow ochre, and fire gold ochre is much more warm than these two. So first we'll mix it with lemon yellow. As usually, I try to create some kind of quinacridone gold hue with my earthstones, and you can see the beautiful mixes of these together. I sometimes forget how much bright the lemon yellow is, and the way it can create some kind of quinacridone gold hue with red earthstones or orangish earthstones. It's really beautiful. Next, we'll mix burnt yellow ochre with honey the yellow deep PY65. These are beautiful mixes. I really love them. At the beginning I wasn't sure if to add Hansa Yellow Deep to my studio palette, and now I'm really happy about it. It's very beautiful, very luminous in a way, and look at these fiery, beautiful earthstones you can create, or some kind of earthy orange you can create with these two colors together. Really beautiful. Next are mixes with Cobalt Turquoise from Daniel Smith PB36. These are interesting grays and browns and turquoises together. You can see mostly warm grays and pinkish browns. Really beautiful. And the aquas that are here are really dreamy. Beautiful mixes. There is a bit of color separation, but it's a very balanced, really great mixes. When I bought Cobalt Turquoise, I wasn't sure if it will not granulate too much, but I'm very happy with it. Next is a Phthalo Green yellow shade PG36. It's a color that I like to mix with fired gold ochre that we saw before in the swatches, because it creates beautiful greens. So I wanted to try to mix it with burnt yellow ochre, and you can see the beautiful mixes. Beautiful olive browns, beautiful greens, and the other more cool browns. Really beautiful. Next are mixes with Phthalo Blue green shade PB15 column 3. As you know, I like the mixes of Venetian red with Phthalo Blue green shade, so I wanted to try the burnt yellow ochre with it. They are beautiful mixes. I think that because the Venetian red is very opaque, it creates really magical mixes with the Phthalo Blue green shade, but still I like these mixes. You can create really beautiful deep browns and blue grays with it. Really beautiful mixes. Next mixes will be with the Phthalo Blue red shade PB15 column 6. Beautiful mixes. Really loved all the mixes here. It creates beautiful deep brown grays and dark twilight blues, and again also deep browns. Great mixes. And of course the mixes are more reddish blues than with the Phthalo Blue green shades, which are more turquoise blues. Next are mixes with the Cobalt Blue PB28. I love mixes of Cobalt Blue and Venetian red. And here they are a bit different. They're a bit more harsh than the mixes with the Venetian red. I think that one of the things that I like about mixing Cobalt Blue with Venetian red is the softness of the mixes. But still, these are really beautiful mixes. Beautiful grays and browns and twilight blues and a bit purplish colors and violets mixes also. Next is mixes with Jane's Gray PB29 and PBR7, the burnt sienna type. These are beautiful. I was debating if to put here mixes of sodalite or of Payne's Gray, but decided on Jane's Gray. And it actually acts as a neutral tint in a way. It creates more deep burnt yellow ochre, and it darkens it, create really beautiful darks with it. Really love these mixes. Next are mixes with Bloodstone Genuine. I had here a bit of a surprise. After mixing for a while, I found that these mixes can create some kind of Primatech dupes that I love. Like here you can see like hematite violet dupe, and also hematite burnt scarlet dupe. It depends on the proportions and quantities of each color in the mix. So yeah, I'm really happy about mixing with Bloodstone Genuine. Next our mixes with burnt target eye genuine, and again these are soft mixes that can create some kind of potter's pink dupes and hematite violet dupes, and also hematite burnt scarlet dupes. Beautiful mixes. It was a bit hard to mix them because the low tinting strengths of the burnt tigers are genuine, but still I really love the mixes. Next mixes are going to be with gray titanium or titanium gray, PW6 column 1, and they create some toffee colors, taupes, and also beautiful earthy pinks. I debated if to mix here with white or with gray titanium, and I'm happy I chose the gray titanium because it makes the mixes more interesting. And I think these mixes will be great for urban sketching. Next are mixes with kyanite genuine. They will be a bit sparkly and beautiful mixes. I love them. And they create some kind of twilight grays and blues and browns, and even some kind of burnt amberish browns. Really beautiful mixes. So you can see the beautiful colors on my mixing palette, and here are all of them together. The swatches and each color mixing. So thank you for watching. If there is any color you want me to show you here, so please write me in the comments. Have a wonderful time and happy painting. Bye.